Hey! Heard you want to learn how to cook ramen.
Jay's Grill and Chill.
First up, grab your weapons of choice. We got a pot here, a stir stick. If you don't have one of these, grab yourself a fork. That'll do. Next up, open your noodles. Now pour in your water, 1 and 2. Turn your stove to high, grab yourself a pinch of salt and sprinkle it in there. Once your water's at a boil, turn your heat down to a medium high. Then you're gonna put your noodles into the water. Damn, we going hard to soft on these noodies. Make sure you stir your noodles every 30 seconds to a minute while submerging your noodles as quickly as possible so they cook evenly. Once your 3 minutes is up, depending on what kind of ramen noodles you have, the steps could be different, but in my case I got 5 different packages to throw into the bowl before I throw in my noodies. Alright, now it's time to stir these noodles and muck. Haha, that's good as fuck.